This song is requested by Miss Vela Taboso. Mama, I hope you like it. Try lang natin.
Sitting here's wasted one, but this old piano, trying hard to get to the moon. This morning I don't know, 'cause a bottle of vodka still lies in my hand. Some loves gave me nightmares. I think that she's still in my bed. As I dream about movies, they won't make of me when I'm there. With an ironclad first, wake up, friends kiss the morning. While the marching band keeps its on beat in my head while we're talking about all the things that I long to believe. I want to learn the truth that you meant to me, and the truth is, baby, you're all that I need. I wanna lay you down on a bed of roses for tonight. I'll sleep on a bed of nails. So I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost is, and lay you down on a bed of roses. When I'm so far away, step that I take on my way home, the king's ransom and dime, I give it tonight, sit through this paper. Still I run out of time, or it's hard to get through till the burn the wire lays me back to you. I just close my eyes, whisper, baby, I love you still. I wanna lay you down on a bed of roses for tonight. I'll sleep on a bed of nails. So I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost is, and lay you down on a bed of roses. Well, this hotel-bound hangover, whiskey gone dry, the bar keeps the sweet traditions. Excuse me, baby, well, I'm not upset, yeah, but I love so I take that job. Ooh, yeah.
Pasensya. Taas!
As you close your eyes, know I'll be thinking about you. While my mistress, she calls me to start in her spotlight again. Tonight I won't be alone. 'cause you know that I mean I'm not lonely. I've got nothing to prove, but it's you and I die to be free. I wanna lay you down a bed of roses. Was it not asleep on a bed of nails? So I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost is, and lay you down. I wanna lay you down on a bed of roses. Was you not asleep on a bed of nails? I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost is, lay you down on a bed of roses. Pasensya na.